This is one for you if you have Makita tools. It's one you don't see too often now. LTX Makita LTX range. This is their original lithium battery range. New lithium battery. Won't fit. All the Makita batteries are the same. This one, the newer ones, have a star on it. On the old LTX range, no star. Modern tools now have this wee star on the tool as well. Show that the batteries and tool are compatible. So this one's not. Battery will not go on. It's actually not a big problem. Only difference is that single little notch. That's the only thing that's blocking you. So the only thing you have to do to fix this, get yourself a chisel, hack away that wee notch, cut that away. Now all your old LTX machines fit the new Makita batteries. Silly wee thing, must be just an afterthought after they took out the range. Most people know about it, but a lot of the LTX range of stuff will still be up and running. So if you don't have your batteries anymore, you can still use the modern Makita batteries with the wee star on it. Just need to cut away that notch and everything will work fine again. No difference in the actual batteries, the makeup, the connectors, everything else is the exact same. Just the LTX had that one little square down on there. No idea what it was for. Cut it away and everything works fine.